Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a layered bob. The very first thing we're going to do is establish the outline. As you can see, I've got an A-line section that I'm cutting this very first section. Actually, I should say I've got a section down the middle of the hair, dividing the left side from the right side. From there, I've got two A-line sections where I've combed down, and now I'm establishing the outline, the new length for the bob. I'm going to work my way up the hair, taking sections, combing them down to that very first section, which is the guide for the length for the rest of the haircut. Once we've completed cutting the outline, we will then address the layers in the bob. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the outline, it is now time to start cutting the layers. You can see I've got a center section in the middle of the back, and I'm combing that section straight back, and basically I'm cutting that first section, which is the guide for the rest of the layering for the rest of the haircut. I'm now taking another section, which I'm over-directing to that previous section, and I'm going to do that throughout the rest of the layering. I'm just going to over-direct to the previous section, because that previous section that I just cut will be the guide for the current section I'm trying to cut. So this way I know if I'm always over-directing to the previous section, cutting it at the length, the current section at the length of the previous section, all the layers are going to be the same length. Okay, so I'm addressing the layers on the left side. Once I've completed the layering on the left side, I will then do the layering on the right side. Alright, now that I've completed the layering on the left side, we are going to do the layering on the right side. Not a whole lot to explain, because I've already explained it in regards to the left side. Just going to do the exact same thing. Alright, so now that the layering is complete, one of the things that I like to do from time to time when I'm trying to make the hair look fuller and thicker is I will graduate the bottom of the layers. You can see right here I'm taking diagonal sections, almost like a graduated bob, except I am just simply cutting off that corner to graduate it in a diagonal shape. So I'm cutting that in a 45-degree angle, which will build up weight. It'll make the back look fuller and thicker. So that graduation below the occipital bone will actually support the layers above the occipital bone. Alright, now I am cutting the bangs here, and once I've cut the bangs, the haircut will pretty much be all done. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out that graduated layered bob haircut. You can see the fullness in the back. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.